social media has a relationship with me.
Yeah.
Social media,
And
it's a toxic relationship as well.
देखा है comments ऐसे?
नहीं, मुझसे नहीं होता क्योंकि वो
वो
मुझे
अच्छे
डर
सब
लगता
अच्छे
है
comment.
बहुत. हाँ,
डर क्यों लगता है? इतने अच्छे comments हैं.
वो मुझे
बाकियों
पता
को
नहीं
डर
ना
लगना
अच्छे आने
चाहिए.
वाले नहीं.
Remember, you're not paid to act, you're paid to promote.
You're paid to promote, yeah.
यार शूटिंग के बाद मैं अवार्ड फंक्शन जा रहा था तो सरल ने भाई तुझे किस बात का अवार्ड मिल रहा है? मैंने बोला सर इस सेट के बारे में शायद कुछ हूँ थोड़ा आपको पता नहीं होगा. Me as a person, I am somebody who just goes and does, just opens my heart, and then it sometimes backfires on me.
Yeah, no, I know because you're just very. I think जो दिल में है वो कह दिया.
हाँ, वो
फिर बाद में ओ मैंने क्यों कहा? हाँ, so
sorry.
For all film-related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Since the film's called Log Out,
Yes,
how logged in or logged out are you?
I would like to say that I'm logged into myself and logged out of my phone.
Hi.
But he truly is, by the way. Yeah.
Wow. So, what is your relationship actually with social media? I would want to ask you.
I said this earlier. I've started to realize that I don't have a relationship with social media. Social media has a relationship with me.
Yeah.
Social media.
And
It's a toxic relationship as well.
Really a toxic, but
Yeah.
you know the thing is, you would be surprised. You actually get a whole lot of praise because when I was, I watched the movie, but usse pehle I watched the trailer. I was seeing the comments, the kind of love and acceptance that you've got. Does that weigh on you? Have you even been through it?
No, I
देखा है comments ऐसे?
नहीं, मुझसे नहीं होता क्योंकि वो
वो
मुझे
अच्छे
डर
सब
लगता
अच्छे
है
comment.
बहुत. हाँ,
डर क्यों लगता है? इतने अच्छे comments हैं.
वो मुझे
बाकियों
पता
को
नहीं
डर
ना
लगना
अच्छे आने
चाहिए.
वाले नहीं.
एक बारी झलक तो मार लो.
नहीं, फिर मेरा मुझे I think
ये वैसा वाला है कि पहली सिगरेट नहीं पीनी शायद लत लग जाएगी. ये बिल्कुल वैसा वाला एटीट्यूड है नहीं कि ट्राई भी नहीं करना मुझे.
नहीं, but वही मैम की I just feel like if I get addicted, वो उस अगर if I like it, then it's exactly what.
It's a downward spiral.
And I'm in the film also, ma'am, the character, his journey is exactly that. That he goes from that addiction for validation, that dopamine release, to understanding what empathy is through that journey of,
Yeah.
getting that taken away from him.
No, exactly. Now coming to your character. So it's basically he wants to control everyone, but doesn't realize that he then becomes controlled by them.
Yeah.
But also it's a sign of our times. As someone who is in this profession, because it was very different from the time when your father made his debut and acted and whatever, it wasn't that amplified. But don't you feel somewhere it's just become synonymous to the fame and your craft? बोलते हैं acting बाद में आती है, पहले वो validation and celebrity status पहले बनाना पड़ता है.
जी ma'am, but Pawan ne also, I think before you guys even we witnessed him or he became famous, he had already worked for 20 years.
Yeah.
He worked his craft on FTI. So वहाँ पर उनका प्रेशर नहीं था और उन्होंने कोई ये उनकी महानता है, उनकी खासियत है कि उनके पास स्ट्रेंथ थी टीम पे ना डिपेंड होने की, उनकी ना पीआर टीम थी. he had the courage to be a lone wolf, so, and today, and he did not care about brands and just but abhi I want to make my own money, I want to support my family, I want to do these are things that I want to prove to myself. So I take unnecessary pressure on myself, even though mama is like yaar tum kya kar rahe ho yaar, matlab just chill, like do your work with passion, you have so much passion for this, why are you getting yourself so entangled into.
But do you at any level are like Pratman seeking that validation?
Yes, of course. And I think everybody is at some level. I would like to believe that I'm not, and that's how I approached Sir first time. Sir, मैं तो ऐसा नहीं. But honestly, when I did start researching about it, I'm like, हाँ यार, और मुझे तो बहुत ज़रूरत है external validation की. And even though I don't relate to his social media, his Pratman, I don't relate to. Pratyush, I really relate to. And that's how I approached it.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't use social media that much. I don't scroll that much. I don't check my engagement and comments as we discussed. But I do desire that validation, that and as it's a journey that I have to take. And this film brought to light all the things that I was suppressing within me. That I was कि मुझे भी नहीं पता था मैं अपने अंदर ये image बना रहा हूँ. कि oh I'm so different and edgy.
Yeah, you know, that is that thing
Yeah.
because you are regarded as someone who's very different from the lot. So, and is that something that you want to like adhere to?
I got addicted to that, you know, that because that was a source of validation. वो उसमें से
अलग हूँ।
हाँ मैं अलग हूँ, वो सबको अलग होना होता है ना, जैसे कोई सॉन्ग फेमस हो जाता है, अचानक वही लोग जो पसंद करते थे पहले वो गाने को अचानक हेट करने लगते हैं क्योंकि सबको पसंद आने लग गया है, बिकॉज इट बिकम्स मेन स्ट्रीम. इट्स द सेम सॉन्ग दैट यू लाइक्ड बट नाउ यू हेट इट बिकॉज इट्स बिकम मेन स्ट्रीम.
So you also feel that somewhere they were what they accepted you for, they were trying to reject that
The
persona.
people?
Yeah.
No, I was talking about myself.
Okay.
Ki, how I, you know, like, because I felt like, oh, people are saying that I'm different. I got addicted to that. I felt nice about that. I felt like that was a representation of who I am, and that was who I am. But it was just an image that was
Now you're
created
trying
by
to
the opinions of
dismantle
others.
it, right?
Yeah, I am trying to, but it's hard. It's hard to
It's
break your own image. Yeah.
True. But Amit, it's very interesting. Firstly, what made you go? We were talking about it also, and
Yeah.
I'll put two questions into
Yeah,
one
yeah,
because
sure.
this is the time where a lot of actors, young actors, have said that they are cast on the basis of their social media followers because it's a thing.
Yeah.
It's a thing now. For that matter, even journalists are now given interviews on the basis of their followers. कितने engagement मिलेगा आपको exclusives के लिए? So basically, did that somewhere and casting Babil, you know, as he is basically the face of this generation in the role that you had perceived.
So first, just answering how we went about casting him, I think our process remained exactly the same as it has been any other project, because when we cast, like when his audition came to us, even I think Kala ki promotions were going on, it had not released.
इतना time हो गया,
हाँ,
4
so
साल.
it had not released also. No, not 4 साल,
22
22 end, हाँ, 22 end. हाँ, so.
3 साल.
So I myself didn't know like him as son of Irfan Khan or anything, and we had given the casting director Vaibhav the brief and what was required, and he sent us like 10 auditions, one of which was his audition.
Sir,
And we watched it like any other audition, and in that he stood out. And there was not, I didn't know that it is Babil Khan, son of Irfan Khan, or anything like that. And just because of that audition, the way he did it was
Okay.
so different and something which we were looking for, that we were very sure about that.
Sir, when we took the audition, till the time we shot, it was a big period.
Yeah, big period beach mein.
So that's when Kala Pro.
Correct.
Yeah, and in that period of time that you've had 4 releases. And
I had two.
two
I had one
releases,
release.
अब तो 4 हो गए. 4.
Railwayman नहीं है.
Railwayman नहीं है. तो last was Railwayman. I'll come to that after,
Yeah.
but I want to ask you, have you also heard, I mean, also the fact that casting people on the basis of followers, I hope they haven't come to direction, but I know writers have said they get gigs on the basis of their followers.
So it is a reality, yes. And like I was saying, 5 years ago, we used to jokingly say that हाँ एक टाइम पे तो फिर ये भी होगा कि followers इसके हैं तो इसको cast करो. And now it is actually a big factor, if not the only factor.
Yeah.
But I have gone from being slightly indignant about it कि ये क्या कर रहे, to also realizing probably the fact कि you can also try to look at it as just another skill set that is required from a performer in today's world. So like I was saying कि अब US में musicals में actors they sing themselves, हमारे यहाँ पे तो playback singing का So now if you don't have that skill, you won't be cast in a musical. So does that mean the actor needs to sing? Is that
No,
for that project it's a requirement?
Yeah.
Obviously it shouldn't be the only criteria, but I have started looking at it like that in today's world, even if that is not your primary skill, it is वो होता है ना क्रिकेट में भी आज एक स्किल से काम नहीं चलता है, आपको फील्डर तो अच्छा होना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
तो
No, I get that.
तो वो kind of I have started looking at it like that. I have not come to terms with it myself. I will not lie about that, but yeah, maybe that's a new way of looking at it rather than कि यार ये क्यों कर रहे हैं.
Babil, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, what is your thing? Because there is acting, there is also your whole social currency and celebrity
I think
status.
they are different jobs, and I think it's important that you treat it as a job and not your identity. The celebrity of all of this is just it's a job. you know, my connection with people that admire me or watch the work, or just have a genuine conversation about that is genuine. That's real. But you know, like when I have to promote, I have to have to do my job, no matter what I'm feeling, how sick I can't. You know, I have to come. I have to show up for work. I have to do my job. And no matter, it's just, it's a job, and I can't connect my identity to it.
I think there was a very good line in Entourage, if anybody has seen that. हाँ, तो उसमें Ari tells to Vince that, remember, you're not paid to act, you're paid to promote.
You're paid to promote,
Yeah,
but here in this case, you're also exactly. But आजकल वो line blur हो गई है.
Yeah.
Paid to act or paid to promote.
Given an option, we definitely like that the acting power is to be the only criteria, but then you have to figure in other factors also.
No, that's what I'm asking. What if Prattman was asked to do your job and act in, say, films? Would you be okay with that? I mean, आजकल जैसे हो रहा है, you are Prattman. I'm just saying. आजकल जैसे हो रहा है,
मतलब real life influencers
are actually getting acting gigs over somebody who is trained in that.
But वो फिल्म में दिख जाएगा ना कितना अच्छा एक्टर है वो. मैम एक्टिंग इज अ जॉब दैट आपको जब फिल्म मिलती है आपको बहुत मजा आता है, अरे आई एम द किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. फिर जब रिव्यूज आते हैं वो इट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. दैट्स
उनके 5 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स जो हैं.
हाँ तो फिर वो रिव्यूज तो मैम क्रिटिक्स, आई डोंट थिंक क्रिटिक्स सी द फॉलोअर्स डायरेक्ट. ऑफ कोर्स प्रोड्यूसर्स सी, बिकॉज we also have to understand that this world, that the society we live in is governed by capitalism, and you have to sell there is a commerce aspect attached to the art, which we have to accept. We can't judge one side, you know. So yes, I understand why the intention of the followers are there, but I'm glad that I get to work with people that, you know, don't that are like to con act. So when I was working, I didn't have anything. I had about 150K something.
No, absolutely.
तब तो और मेरे को पता है वो शूटिंग के बाद में अवार्ड फंक्शन जा रहा था तो सर बोलते भाई तुझे किस बात का अवार्ड मिल रहा है. मैंने बोला सर इस सेट के बारे में शायद कुछ हूँ थोड़ा आपको पता नहीं.
अच्छा. No, but it's interesting now talking about your process and your craft. I mean, you have done 4 films already. Are you now enjoying being on set? Enjoying, or does it still make you anxious?
Set, I love being on. See, even if there is pressure, like even with, I took a lot of pressure coming. You know, I wanted to prove to them, I want to prove to myself that I can do this. But every bit of it was enjoyable pressure. I wanted to be better. There is a kind of pressure that is different, which is not enjoyable, which is destructive to you. So, you know, on set, it's a different pressure. Like, I would like to endure that pressure. I would like to grow from that pressure. But then there's also a toxic pressure that,
do you also put that yourself?
I did. I did. I still do, honestly. But I'm getting better at it. I'm getting better at working on that. I'm getting better at detaching my identity from it. It's difficult because me as a person, I am somebody who just goes and does, you know, just opens my heart, and then it sometimes backfires on me.
Yeah, no, I know, because you're just very. I think जो दिल में है वो कह दिया. फिर
yeah.
बाद में मैंने क्यों कहा?
Sorry.
Also, being your father's son, does that also weigh upon you?
Yeah,
because
of
उनका
course,
बहुत ही अच्छा एक आइडेंटिटी था.
जी और उनका बेस्ट चीज था मैम वो ना जितना वो लोगों को कुछ he would never show his, he was a great poker player. Like he'd never show his cards. I am an Uno player. वो पोकर टेबल पे बैठ के मैं Uno खेलता हूँ मैं सच में.
अनाउंस कर देता है Uno.
बट आजकल वही तो है ना, अनाउंस करना पड़ता है. सेल्फ प्रमोशन नहीं किया तो कोई नहीं करेगा रे.
But no, that's honestly मैं I have not been dishonest. ये मैंने नहीं किया. मैं शायद ओवर कभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया मैं वो एंजाइटी की वजह से जो भी रीज़न होगा. But I was not dishonest to that emotion.
Absolutely.
Like even when I said sorry, I genuinely meant it because I was hogging somebody else's spotlight. But now that they took that camera and put it on me instead of there, so वो
उसमें मेरी क्या गलती?
हाँ फिर मेरा हाथ यहीं रह गया. आज किसी ने वापस दिखाया वो वीडियो मैंने बोला अरे यार.
That is something that will never let me. But also now talking about the film, it's also. There are few where, you know, actor is always responding to situations and also responding to another. Like, we are interacting and
Correct.
responding to each other.
Correct.
But there's a lot of stuff where you can only imagine and you're responding to yourself.
Yeah.
Was that fun? I mean, was that liberating?
it had a lot to do with a surprise in the end, which I can't mention, which you'll get to know.
Yeah,
and
no, of course, in the
Sure,
future I
sure,
know.
seen,
Yeah. So you know
Yeah.
what I was just like there was, and that thing was always there to support, but also the fact that I had to trust my imagination.
Yeah.
कि because the screen was not on.
And आपका
वो
imagination
जो-
vivid है, वो मुझे पता है, इसका बहुत vivid imagination.
हाँ, and you know, ma'am, the thing is, a lot of actors are discouraged into using their imagination. I'm so happy that without going to acting school, I got to experience this film where I got to not only learn the craft, because I had to do everything on the time, because the pace of the film was so important, and we had a discussion before that I don't have room to improvise much. And he gave me full freedom, and Biswa sir gave me full freedom. तू लाइन बदल, but उस टाइम पे करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, उस मार्क पे लैंड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इतनी छोटी सी जगह है वहाँ पर, अगर आपका एफ स्टॉप इतना कम है तो मतलब इतना सा फोकस है, तो वहाँ लैंड करना बहुत ज़रूरी. तो उसमें मैं क्राफ्ट भी मैंने सीखा मैम. और उसमें वो एक होता है ना वो दैट मिथ दैट एक्टर्स should not use their imagination. There's a strange but notion, yeah. But वो एकदम वहम टूट गया कि you always have to be in the moment of that situation. किसी पे आप moment में imagination से भी को भी respond.
Absolutely, no,
But for that you have to go back to your childhood, like when you used to, you know, I used to play football, I used to play cricket. Like कोई नहीं होता था मेरा दोस्त, कोई bowling नहीं कर रहा था.
Shadow practice.
हाँ, shadow,
but
हाँ.
वो बॉलर ऐसे मैं तो ऐसे सच में बाउंसर डाल रहा हूँ, गाली दे रहा हूँ किसी को, दीवार को.
And those mind games are the best because,
Yeah.
and also it's
And I didn't even know I was training for acting at that
exactly,
time.
and it's so liberating. You're manifesting things because you're not conditioned by your reality.
Yeah,
But here it's your reality. I'm now coming back to that. I mean, now you do belong to that club of the privileged ones because your dad was a lone ranger, and now आपको वो privilege मिला है
Definitely,
उनका.
yes, definitely.
But the industry and people are not very kind to the privileged set. There's उनका
Industry is
privilege.
kind.
Industry is kind, but the viewers are not kind. How do you navigate that?
I don't. I cry. I don't. If I try to navigate it, I genuinely feel like it's important to feel what is happening, because anything that I'm doing with thought, anything that I'm doing with trying to get out of it, escape, like that, I feel like that would be escapism. I would rather go through it, feel it. You know, just
No, but it's not very forgiving. I mean,
It's not,
but they've
but
been
that's
much
my
more
life.
accepting of you than the others.
For
Is
sure.
that like a
Yeah, then for me, like that's it opened my eyes. Like, I had so much respect for everybody, you know, because I was like, man, how do you guys go through it?
So, do you Google yourself or not?
I have to do it. I have to. It's a like I have to update.
What is it? Like you type your name.
Nothing. I
कैसे
just
करते हो?
type my name, then I have to go on news. I have to like just put my head down, like
Which
shit.
was like the craziest thing you thought that I wish I had not done, and one thing that you wished कि मैं कर ही देता.
Not really, ma'am. I feel like those regrets are very important for me. The humiliation is when you really learn. You know, when you feel like, what did I
Don't
do?
be so hard on yourself.
No, I'm not. That's the beauty. I'm not. I'm actually being very kind to myself. Because I'm learning so much from that. By not feeling that, I am restricting that learning path.
Okay.
I'm literally saying I don't want to learn from this emotion. But by feeling that I'm learning so much, I'm a much stronger boy than I was back 2 years ago, or back when the trolling happened. I feel like I have much more perception. I feel like I'm kinder. I feel like I'm more receptive to people.
Wow. Okay, so the best rumor or a rumor you wish was true about you. A rumor that you wish was true about you.
Oh, the last when नहीं मैं ये नहीं कर सकता अभी हुआ नहीं nothing. I really want to work with Sania Malhotra, which everybody just misconstrued. But I wish that comes to life because I think she's a phenomenal actor and I really want to work with her.
Chalo, ठीक है, we manifest
Yes,
that.
promote
And you
this.
wish one rumor that you want should come true. जाते, and then we log out. You all set to log out.
That logout will break all records for Z5.
Yes,
Anyway, they're on a hit run.
Yeah.
So chalo, we'll manifest that. And what next then after logout? Can we wait for an announcement?
Yeah, there's some things, but I can't mention them.
अच्छा ये भी होता है.
No,
NDAs.
NDAs non yeah. But Prackman का तो कोई NDA ही नहीं है.
नहीं है ना, NDA है Prackman का. Prackman के बहुत NDA है, वो बताता नहीं है फिल्म में बस.
Chalo, thank you so much. All the
Thank you.
very
It was
best.
lovely
Lovely
speaking.
talking to you.
Same,
Thank you.
same.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.